student, now I am going to explain you how to get more marks in biology, and some student they feel biology as a difficult subject, but here I am giving you some trick from this video. The here topic is difference between plant cell and animal cell. First, see both diagram, their labels, and then read the topic. Here I am going to explain you the difference between this plant cell and animal cell from this diagram. This is the diagram of plant cell. In plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Second point, in plant cell, the plasma membrane, it is interior to the cell wall, while in animal cell, plasma membrane forms the outer covering of the cell. Then, means in plant cell, cell wall is the outermost covering. In animal cell, plasma membrane is the outermost covering. Then third point, vacuole. In plant cell, vacuole, they are large in size and they are present in this, that single vacuole, it is present in the center. While in animal cell, vacuole, they are smaller in size and they are rare. Means if they are present, they are smaller in size. The next point, plastid, that is chloroplast present in plant cell and chloroplast absent in animal cell. Next, centrosome. Centrosome, it is the area near the nucleus in which two centrioles are present. This centrosome present only in animal cell, while in plant cell centriole or centrosome absent. Next, lysosome. Lysosome, they are rare in plant cell, but they are more in animal cell. Next, Golgi bodies. Golgi body, simple in plant cell, while in animal cell, Golgi body, they are dense and complex one. Then next, cilia, that is the cytoplasmic extension. These cilia, they are present only in animal cell, while in plant cell, cilia, they are absent. Then size of plant cell is larger and size of animal cell is smaller. Again we revise the first point. Remember, first draw the figure and label the figure, and here give the mass. That is the first point, cell wall. Here it is present, in animal cell it is absent. Second, plasma membrane. Here it is inner to the cell wall, while in animal cell it forms the outermost covering. Third point, vacuole, they are large in plant cell and their position is central. In animal cell they are smaller. Then chloroplast, present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Centrosome, absent in plant cell, present in the animal cell. Centrosome consists this centriole. In other words, you can say that centriole, they are present in animal cell and they are absent in plant cell. Lysosome, rare in plant cell, they are more in number in animal cell. Golgi body, simple one, not so dense in plant cell, while in animal cell, dense and complex. Cilia, that is cytoplasmic extension, they are present in animal cell, cilia absent in plant cell. Size of plant cell is larger and size of animal cell is smaller. So remember guys, for the preparation of biology, recitation is not important. Diagram, first draw the diagram and then label it, then read the topic. Then you didn't forget that topic. And what is the best method of preparation? First, revise the topic within 24 hours. Then second revision 7 days. And third revision 1 month. After 1 month. So, you will not forget that topic. In the biology, what is difficult for the student? First, skill, that is the diagram, drawing. Some they didn't like it. The second, different names or different words which are difficult for student. Like here, Golgi bodies, centrosome, centriole. So different words are there. When you will revise them, at that time you will remember them. And don't recite. For understand the concept. In competitive exam, most important is understanding and application of knowledge. Question they are not simple. They are some question they are straightforward, but not all. If you will understand, then and then you will score higher in the competitive exam like NEET. Thank you guys.